Diesel's back again, part 3. The old one, as you can see, it's pretty mangled. I don't know if you can see it, but easier. Let me pop it out of the bag real quick here. Yeah, so you can see here, it's got tabs on both sides. Came out pretty simple. Now we good to go. I already popped the button. Door comes up, yeah. So I'll do the test real quick. Okay, and then here's the test. See? Cha-ching. Whee! Alright, nothing to it. Save myself about $100 labor, parts. You know they are. Part was like 20 bucks. Found on Amazon. It's a 4.8 rating. I like it. Give this a 5.0 rating. It's awesome. Over and out, guys. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.